Let's do a basic example of completing the square, one that doesn't involve any fractions or radicals. Solve x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0 by completing the square. Step 1, we move the constant to the right-hand side by adding 12 to both sides. Step 2, we complete the square by taking half of the number in front of the x. Half of negative 4 is negative 2. Square the negative 2 becomes positive 4. And we add that positive 4 to the left side and the right side to keep the sides equal. On the left-hand side, this makes x squared minus 4x plus 4 a perfect square. We have completed the square. And what perfect square is it? We use this number that came from the negative 4 in front of the x. Half of that number in front of the x, negative 2. This is x minus 2 squared on the left side and 16 on the right side. If you FOIL out x minus 2 squared, you get x squared minus 4x plus 4. Now we take the square root of both sides. Remember to include plus or minus. And the square root of 16 is a perfect square, so that works out nicely, plus or minus 4. On the left side, the square root of x minus 2 squared is just x minus 2. So if we add 2 to both sides, in front of the plus minus, because the plus minus only applies to 4, if we add 2 to both sides, we get x equals 2 plus or minus 4. X equals 2 plus 4, that's 6, and x equals 2 minus 4, that's minus 2.